Dear students, a warm welcome to all of you. I'm your mentor Stanish Kill. Before we begin our today's tutorial, let me give you some basic instruction. All that we are going to learn today is from this wonderful book Speak English with Stanish Kill. This book is available on all the online platforms and top-notch bookstores. You can find the link of this book in the description area. It is my strong suggestion that after watching each video, please refer to this book for detailed explanation and more examples. Remember, you are not watching a movie or a web series. Follow the golden rule. Don't go for the lunch until you have not digested your breakfast. Clear your concept first. Then only move to another video and accordingly to a new chapter. The book and the video is made in a chronological way, referring to as chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, so on and so forth. Please follow the continuity rule and strictly no overlapping. And for our online course, kindly WhatsApp us at 9136 702 777. I repeat, 9136 702 777. So friends, if you are prepared now with the ground rule, then let's dive into the learning with complete excitement.
Welcome to chapter number 24, Future Continuous Tense. What is future continuous tense? Future continuous tense is used to express a continued or an ongoing action happening in the future. Let us understand in detail, starting with affirmative sentences. For subject I, you, we, they, he, she, it, singular noun and plural noun, our sentence structure is subject plus auxiliary plus verb and then the sentence completion. Our auxiliary is will be or shall be, and the verb form is present participle. Important point: auxiliary will be state better certainty than auxiliary shall be, and hence it is used more frequently. Let's see some examples. I'll be waking up early in the morning. You will be lying to people when you turn old. We will be playing cricket on Sunday. They will be performing carnival on Christmas. He will be painting the house. She will be cooking the food. It will be fading one day. Arun will be fixing the table. Dogs will be barking at our guests. Now let's see negative sentences. For subject I, you, we, they, he, she, it, singular noun and plural noun, our sentence structure is subject plus auxiliary plus negation, then the verb and then sentence completion. Our auxiliary is will be and we add negation, so it becomes will not be, and contracted form it becomes won't be, and the verb form once again is present participle. So let's see some examples. I will not be waking up early in the morning. You won't be lying to people when you turn old. We will not be playing cricket on Sunday. They won't be performing carnival on Christmas. He will not be painting the house. She won't be cooking the food. It will not be fading one day. Arun won't be fixing the table. Dogs will not be barking at our guests. So we have either use will not be or won't be. So both of them are correct. Now let's see interrogative sentences. For interrogative sentences for subject I, you, we, they, he, she, it, singular noun and plural noun. For affirmative sentences, our sentence structure is auxiliary plus subject plus verb, then the sentence completion ending with a question tag. And for negative sentences, auxiliary plus negation, then the subject, then the verb, then the sentence completion concluding with a question tag. Our auxiliary is will be, and verb form once again present participle. So let's see some examples. Will I be waking up early in the morning? Won't you be lying to people when you turn old? Will we be playing cricket on Sunday? Won't they be performing carnival on Christmas? Will he be painting the house? Won't she be cooking the food? Will it be fading one day? Won't Arun be fixing the table? Will the dogs be barking at our guests? So friend, with this we come to an end of this chapter. For detailed explanation and more example, I'll request you to buy the book Speak English with Stanish Gill. This book is available on all the leading online platforms and top-notch bookstores. If you like the video, then kindly like, share, follow, comment and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you are updated with all our upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.